Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have one more bed design for you. In this bed, we have got storage, we have got cushion at the back in solid teak wood, natural finish, honey gloss finish with gold highlighting, and a very new design, a quite new design of bed straight out of a catalog. When I talk about catalog, it means a design that is made on computer in a software, or it may be an AI generated. That's the newest thing on AI. Any app you go, you tell the AI, give a prompt like make me a bed like this, something with a carving, with a beautiful design, with some cushion at the back, and it'll throw a design for you. Here at Aarsun, we convert those designs to reality. And here is one. It's a king size bed. King size in India is 72 inches, that is 6 feet by 6.5 feet, 78 inches mattress area, the inside area. The outer size is a little extra. If you can see, both sides are little going outside. Back height is 5.5 feet high, front is 32 inches high, and it has got storage, and that is hydraulic storage. So I just need to pull it a little and it opens itself. And inside storage, the best part is we get entire area to be used. When you work on the front load that opens from the front, entire thing opens like this. There are two things. First, it's not that easy because here you get very less space to open it because the front is right here. So one thing is this. The other thing is it is 45 degrees slanted. So the back area is less usable because it's not very easy to reach. Here we have got entire thing. I can reach here, I can reach here. So I got the complete open area and very easy to open as well as very easy to close. With the weight of the mattress, it's very smooth. Other thing is about the height part. The height is adjusted according to the mattress thickness. 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, 18, even 24 inches mattresses are available in the market. So depending on the width of the mattress, the thickness of the mattress, we make it up and down so it's easy to use. The basic point is when you are on the bed and the time you are climbing down, your feet should touch the ground properly. It should not be in air. So very high beds are not recommended because you may, when you're getting up from the bed, you are in half sleep or you're not completely awake, you may twist your ankle if the leg is not touching the ground. This is a very basic and logical concept. So accordingly, we make it up and down, and maximum height 24 inches, 2 feet is maximum height for normal people unless you are very tall. This is one. The other thing is about the wood part. The back and the front are in teak wood. The box is made of ply. If we have design on the sides, if we have carving on the sides, then in that case, the sides are also made in wood. So this is the whole structure. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 pieces, very easy to install. Both boxes put together and put the back. There are bolts. Put the bolts, tighten them. The bed is installed. Hardly 5 minutes. Need a couple of people just to put them together, and it's done. At Aarsun, here we make what you want. If you want a bed without storage, we provide you that. If you need something for a box spring, we can provide it accordingly. Out of India, a lot of people use box springs, so that can be made as well. Box spring bed and a storage bed. If you want without storage, that can be done. So it entirely depends on how you want. Size, design, color, storage, without storage, the back cushion, you want a different color, you want fabric, we can provide that. Right now we have leatherette, off-white, in fact beige color leatherette at the back, and even if you want real leather, we are working on that too. So everything in this bed or any furniture item that we are making is customized as per the requirement. And that's why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. This doesn't have side tables because client didn't need one, so we haven't provided that. If you want side tables, the nightstands, we can provide that too. They are quite handy and quite useful things because when you have something right next to the bed, you can keep your water bottle, your mobile phone, charger, your medicines right next to you. That can be easily accessed. About the color part, the color of the unit you can see is honey gloss in polish, PU polish, and if you're looking for deco color like gold, silver, off-white, white, triple shade, dual shade, rose gold, champagne gold, gold leaf, silver leaf, antique gold leaf. We are doing all these things, even multi-shaded. All these things are already done. In several videos, I've got detailed explanation. I've shown you that they're all listed on the website, aarsunwoods.com, and more than 1500 videos on YouTube that shows our entire range. You select what you like and let us make it and deliver to your home in India or in 55 countries we are delivering to across the globe at factory price. We are making it here, you're receiving it there. Best price, quality by Aarsun, the brand of Aarsun that is working for almost 40 years now. Any questions? The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.